In this video, we will explore top design styles for software product tutorial.
Energy efficiency, safety, and end product quality in all kinds of industrial processes and facilities. When it comes to choosing the right measurement instruments for your application, modularity, compatibility, robustness, reliability, low cost of ownership, and ease of maintenance are just some of the important factors to consider.
With Viad, interactions between individual customers and businesses get even easier thanks to intelligent contracts. By using advanced artificial intelligence and blockchain, Viad creates a new quality in accessing services and concluding agreements between people anywhere in the world.
Understanding and visualizing their journeys a challenge, even for the most experienced marketers. Without clear insight into your most common user journeys, optimizing your campaigns and designing the perfect media mix can be a challenge. Until now. Introducing Apps Flyer Conversion Paths, a new data analysis.
Challenging to operationalize. The need to monitor and recalculate balances on an ongoing basis adds more pressure on teams who are already juggling strategic priorities. This is where KPMG Lease Hub comes in. And as a managed service with these built-in smarts, our leasing specialists take care of these complexities for you.
Introducing Firemon Automation, your blueprint for smart security process automation. Regardless of use case, organizational infrastructure, or compliance requirements. Firemon Automation gives you the flexibility to automate at your pace and confidence level. Automated design includes design recommendations
while mitigating risk in rapidly changing markets. But the information you need to manage your investments is often spread across multiple systems. So you're forced to use spreadsheets and manual workarounds to see a holistic view of your portfolio. Stale and incomplete views of your holdings and risk exposure can leave you
radiation-tolerant 4 GB DDR4 memory for space systems. A solution with a complete application data package, which is the ideal high-speed companion chip for Teledyne's E2V space-grade processors or third-party space FPGAs. This memory successfully stands up to the most extreme environments, functioning resilient.
You constantly overwhelmed by surplus customer data in your cloud contact center? The struggle is real. We know that it's a love-hate relationship that all customer support managers deal with. There are nuggets of valuable information hiding under lengthy call recordings. So the question really is,
new marketplaces and retail channels where they can expand and grow. At the same time, these selling channels are looking to broaden their product offerings by attracting new brands and retailers. If only there was a centralized location where the two sides could easily find and connect with each other. Introducing Channel Advisor Commerce Network.
Market liquidity, cost pressures, a search for returns in a low interest rate environment, and increasing regulatory oversight. Legacy technology, disparate systems, and a reliance on spreadsheets and manual processes reduce productivity and distract your teams from managing their investments.
More powerful. Integrating data and electrical infrastructure brings so many new possibilities, but how does it work? Our equipment and electrical devices are natively connected. QR codes are located on all of our switchboards, giving access to key project information like single-line diagrams, instructions.
Endpoint and network security protection partner is a critical decision for SMBs. But instead of spending countless hours monitoring several dashboards, wouldn't it be great to manage the security of your business from a single pane of glass, anytime, anywhere? The ADVIDS Business Hub is a cloud-based security platform that empowers businesses and...
He needs to speed up inventory, order picking and sequencing processes. He also needs to bring down the error rates of his picking team. Another challenge is to find, train, and motivate staff. New or temporary staff needs to be instructed, trained, and flexibly deployed.
Challenges for business leaders are constantly evolving. Properly tracking and analyzing accurate financial data allows you to be more agile when challenges arise and provide the visibility you need to manage growth. BDO can help you do just that, so you can focus on managing your business.
How your customers behave is key to building a product they'll love. Hotjar is a great tool to do just that. But if you've got a lot of heat maps, recordings, or feedback, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's where filters come in. Hotjar's data filters allow you to sort your heat maps.
I mean, that's the kind of thing that a 5-time Super Bowl MVP can
do. Just like every logistics sector facility, it maintains numerous physical assets and employs many people. So how can they all be managed and tracked? The Commach Asset Tracking Solution, an advanced cloud-based asset management system, is the answer. To explain the operation and features of asset tracking, we will introduce a few systems.
A data museum? Your end users rarely touch the tool. Why? Metadata management solutions aren't user-friendly and don't move self-service analytics projects forward. So, your people turn to less reliable sources like spreadsheets for data definitions. The result? Inaccurate conclusions.
Beings into heroes with the power to improve and even save lives. The cell therapy journey starts once cells are removed from the body. Cell collection kits, secure packaging, full chain of custody, and experienced cold chain logistics prevents
acquiring, merging, or divesting. Each strategic move designed to prepare for the future and the demands of modern work. Yet, for companies lacking intelligent information management, there are potential pitfalls. In mergers or divestitures, pharmaceutical companies
water early. Water in the morning, so your plant's leaves will have plenty of time to dry. Disease loves wet foliage. Miracle tip number 2. Test the soil. Stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch is dry, it's time to water. Containers will need to be watered more often than in-ground gardens.
Let's say you developed your app quickly using MongoDB and it's on the fast track to success. It's picking up so much steam, you're actually running into some serious scale issues in production. You don't want to drastically change much, but you need a way to scale without any major issues. You also need to meet enterprise deployment requirements that weren't
crowned when loyalty is earned, and how you communicate makes all the difference. Bandwidth is a communications cloud that simplifies how you deliver integrated global experiences. It's flexible and robust, ready to connect across your entire communications stack.
Called a normal profile for each user and machine on the network. Is it normal for an employee called Steve to log on to the network at 3 a.m.? Is it normal for Mindy to access the customer database from a remote location? Is it normal for Jonathan to download 100 different files onto a USB in case a user's action shows a deviation from what...
Often with technologies from multiple vendors. However, market shifts and mounting regulatory scrutiny have highlighted the need to rethink data ecosystems to avoid poor trading decisions, fines, and even reputational damage. Our Market Data Monitor enables you to collect, analyze...
The cutting edge of broadcasting, while keeping your viewers hooked? Want to be known for the quality of your service, while building exciting new revenue streams? The solution is simple. ATSC 3.0 from ATEM. As innovative technology leaders, we take a sustainable approach.
And they were, not too helpful. Luckily, the smart chatbot everyone dreamed of is finally here. Our ITSM solution offers a generative AI chatbot powered by a private large language model. Say hello to the chatbot Aviator from a self-service...
And when it is, you have to provide your original payment card. As a retailer, you understand that it's not always that simple. A complex web of systems and processes mean that you're often forced to manually process a refund. Not only is this time-consuming, it's frustrating for your customer. You need an omni...
The SurveyMonkey Anywhere app, freeing you up to gather data online or offline. Wherever, whenever, and however you choose. Say you're gathering visitor data for a national park. Just select Field Survey, download it to your mobile device, then you're ready to head out into the wilderness. Upload the responses once you're online again. Say you're in the field doing
great data wherever it resides, whether that's on-premise, in the cloud, or both. You design once, deploy anywhere. Today, storing and processing data in the cloud provides a fast, efficient way to increase the scalability, availability, and reliability of your data, enabling you to take on pressing challenges